Should I join as Teamcenter trainee after learning Python? Will learning Teamcenter help in becoming machine learning engineer? See, I have no idea whether Teamcenter will have machine learning component in it or not. Okay. According to me, nowadays, what is happening is that every this is also similar to an ERP, enterprise resource platform, right? It is also similar to that kind of a program, correct? And every kind of an ERP program is trying to put machine learning as well as artificial intelligence into their systems. Okay, they will have some level of machine learning and artificial intelligence embedded within the system so that the companies who are using the product can take advantage of it, but you will have to find out that the role which you are being offered, will you get this opportunity or not? Okay, that you have to clarify. Okay, again, if the product does not have Python programming, chances are that this product will be more of a database centric product it uh, where the product has been created with product lifecycle management and managing the data around products lifecycle management, but there may or may not be any machine learning or artificial intelligence component within the product. Okay, you will have to find this out, because I have no idea about that. Is it okay? Should I search for Python developer jobs because I'm thinking it is entirely new? See, product lifecycle management products are not new. Okay, there are a lot of products which handle product lifecycle management. Like for example, Microsoft has its own Team Foundation server. Okay, within Team Foundation server, they have something called as application lifecycle management. Okay, where you can manage the life cycle of a software application. Okay, this is also very similar to product lifecycle management, but product lifecycle management, I think, has nothing to do with just software application. I think product lifecycle management is with respect to any kind of product that you want to manage. It can be a product in manufacturing industry, it can be a product out of maybe a telecom industry, it can be a product out of any particular industry, and you can manage these products right from the conceptualization to design to development to implementation or execution and then sales of the product, like everything. It's like an ERP for product life cycle management. Okay, it's an ERP for a product company. Is it okay?